Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Pad 6, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings and then navigate to About Tablet. And at the bottom here, you will find Factory Reset. When you press it, it gives you a list of different data that will be removed by performing this reset. And I do recommend just kind of going over this, glancing at it to see if there isn't anything that you would like to keep from this list. For instance, maybe photos or videos, or some kind of personal data. So yeah, anything that you have on this device stored locally and you want to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, assuming you have already done so, or you just simply don't want to, you can then press erase all data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it right here. We do have the option to back it up right now, though keep in mind this is a backup down to Xiaomi Cloud. Just to kind of give you a little bit of an idea, if you're planning to reset this device because you want to sell it and then have a backup of your data, but your new device isn't a Xiaomi, if you create this backup, you won't have an access to it. So you would be probably more interested in backing it up to Google Cloud rather than Xiaomi. This is from Xiaomi, and only a Xiaomi device can restore from this kind of backup. Now, anyway, I don't want to back it up at all, so I'm going to select Factory Reset right away. Now, it does give me a message that blocks me with a 10-second timer right here, just to let me know that this will remove everything. And then once this timer runs out, I can press Next, and then in typical Xiaomi fashion, that considers all their users to be inept, it gives me the same message, almost the same message, second time with another timer that is blocking me. At which point, once it runs out, I can confirm it now, and it will actually begin the process. So this will take a couple of minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.